Medicine, a 30 days challenge, and today we're going to be talking about how to deal with hair fall issues. Food plays a very vital role in taking care of the micronutrients inside our body. So let's begin by nourishing inside out. Make sure to eat iron-rich food like spinach, lentils, and lean meats. Your hair needs nutrients to grow strong. So these nutrients not just are excellent for your hair growth, but also amazing for your health. Number 2, omega-3 for your rescue. Make sure to include omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent and vital for your hair growth. Include flax seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish like salmon to make sure you get the optimum omega-3 for your body. Omega-3 helps you in strengthening your hair follicles and reducing hair falls, like almonds, avocado, and sweet potato. These omega-3 fatty acids take care of your scalp health and promote hair growth. If you like it, do comment it in the comment sections and share it with someone who needs this.